Lost, stolen, or damaged your Monzo card. Here's exactly how to get a replacement quickly and keep your money safe. Open your Monzo app and go to the card section. Tap Replace My Card and then choose the reason, whether it's lost, stolen, or damaged, so Monzo knows what happened. Next, Monzo will ask you to confirm your delivery address. Make sure it's correct, as they will send you a replacement card by post, usually arriving in 3 to 5 working days. If your card was lost or stolen, your old card will be frozen automatically to stop anyone else from using it, giving you peace of mind right away. While you wait for your new card, you can keep spending with your Monzo virtual card or use Apple Pay or Google Pay if you have added your Monzo card to your phone. You'll still get instant notifications and can manage your account as normal. Once your new card arrives, follow these instructions in the Monzo app to activate it, and you will be ready to go. If this guide helped you order a replacement Monzo card, like this video, subscribe for more Monzo tips, and share it with friends who might need to know this. Thanks for watching.